Are you stuck in your 9 to 5 job and do not know how to get out of this rat race? Hi, I'm Vaibhav Rastogi, an independent buyer's agent from GetRare Properties. I'm on my way for financial freedom on the back of the property portfolio that I built in just under 7 years. Now, I'm helping busy professionals like yourselves to be able to generate passive income by building a robust property portfolio. By the way, do you know that 3 out of 5 Australians are projected to be underfunded and under-resourced at the age of 65 for them to retire comfortably? That's a big number. Now, do you want to work all the way to 65 or beyond? Or do you really fancy yourself to have enough wealth, generating enough passive income that you can retire much early? Now, property investing is certainly one of the very easy way here in Australia to build wealth, but only if done strategically right. As you may know, property investing is simple, but successful investing is not that simple. However, if you follow the right strategy, you too can build a decent, robust portfolio that generates enough passive income for you to be able to retire early. That will allow you to lead the life you want, pursue the passion that you have. Would you like that? Now, this is exactly what we talk in our workshops. If you agree that strategy is the cornerstone of the success in property investing, then please come and join me in my workshop. In the workshop, you will walk away with a very clear roadmap, with a lot of clarity of the vision that you too can generate passive income successfully and safely. In the workshop, we'll talk about a systematic approach of investing in properties. I will share with you the secrets and the proprietary model of GetRare. I will talk about the do's and don'ts, the processes, and more importantly, the case studies and the lessons learned in the property investing from my own investment journey. The spaces are limited, and my friends, the workshop is absolutely free. It is delivered online, and I really invite you over to come and check this out. I look forward to see you there. Thank you.